We're in an area where there's a lot of shade. So what's really important in this area is to be dealing with that shade. And there's only certain systems that we can install that can look after that shade and deal with it and manage the system within that. And that is a system that allows us to have some moving shade around the roof. What we do is we combine that with a high performance panel. We can get 370 watts out of a solar panel now. So when we've got a roof that's got shade on it, we need to get these high efficiency panels into the spots that have got the sun for the short amount of time. Shade isn't always just about the tree next door either. Shade comes in many forms. Shade can be bird droppings, shade can be dust, shade can be panels aging over time. They all age at different rates. So we really need to realise that and design the system around it. Designing a system on the internet is really not the place to be designing a system from, and a lot of people are buying solar systems from companies from Melbourne or from Queensland, and they live here in Sydney. Now it's crazy, we can't even sell a solar system, we can't even start designing a solar system until we look at the house. So we make sure all of our quotes are done by our sales team, who are designers and who actually go out to the house, sit at the kitchen table with the customer, talk about their needs, we look at their energy use, we see how much power they're using daily, and then we design the system around it.